today's video ay naglalakad kami dito sa last exit and kasama ko sila. Yan. Sila. Tapos bibili lang kami ng ice cream dun sa kabila. Kaya hawak-hawak namin yung aming mga alaga kasi tatawid kami. Okay. Let's go!
Run! Run!
Don't run! Saan na siya, pare?
Jenny! Jenny! There's something in my legs.
Well,
Go down!
nangangate yung mag-ice cream kami. Oo. Yan. Ito ay last exit daw. Yun ang nakita ko dun eh. Mamaya picture ako.
Ate, may damit sa kayo, te? There's basket rob.
Doon kasi ano siya yung
Oh my God!
ay! Likik. Nahulog ako.
Saan kayo pipili?
Sa Baskin daw. Ayun o, nandun o, sa kabila. Jump, side jump. Parang park. Doon kasi may park. Tapos boring naman tong mga maliliit.
Ah!
What happened?
Ay.
Ah, this one. Okay.
Ay.
Ay. Hindi sumama.
Sumama. For sunshine.
Magpa-Baskin Robbins lang kaya tatawid pa kami. So, ito yung park. Meron siyang mga stool. Sino? Bilis! Bilis! Ah, meron di pa.
Bilis!
Sabi mo, die.
I would die.
Sabi, bilis, die.
Hoy, don't run.
Don't run, ha? Don't run. We finish to buy
Wait pa ba din?
Said!
Run!
Kunin pa niya yung bike doon, oh. Hindi naman kanya. We buy a Baskin Robbins.
Come here. Yeah, but there's someone who's buying. Wait for them to
Alhamdulillah. Oh, ayan yung Baskin Robbins.
Baskin Robbins.
Baskin ice cream. Lemonade?
No.
Why lemonade?
Chips. Chocolate chip. Yeah, wait for a body. Where's our body? Saud. Please, Saud.
Nasaan na yun si Bitya? Kasi nga, patawid-tawid, tas kasama yung maliit. Pero hindi naman yan na agad yung, meron doon, lobster. Meron din lobster doon, chicken and corn. Barbecue station. Oh, marami siyang, basta dito to guys, sa may last exit. Yan. Sa may Alcawaned's last exit. Alin?
Saan po?
Bakit? Pili na tayo na. Meron din lobster doon tayo.
Huh?
Lobster and Co. Tamo. Marami mabilhan palang pagkain dito. Para siyang night market. Marami siyang mga stool na ayan, may barbecue station. Saan na ba yun sila? Foodie. Food. Food. Mayroong mga kakatayin dito.
I go on the ship.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Umakyat na.
Saud! Look! Everybody, assemble!
The ship of Said is for Foodie,
Eating.
and the other one
Mine-
is
She's fast. Come, guys. Come. Samba.
yeah. Ha? Coin
120. Look, they put coins inside here.
wishing well.
Coins.
Yeah, you wish.
Okay, give me one coin. I wish
What? You have a wish?
I have a wish.
What?
I wish like I can turn into Shimmer. Like I wish I can be like a sheep.
Okay, I give you a coins. Wait.
Give me one coin. You finally wish. Oh my god.
Food, he make her wish.
Oh, I just dropped. Oh, look at top. Look at top. Look at top. There's a build up there. Like I can turn into Shimmer. Oh, if you do your wishes, you have to.
So you make your wish. Itapon mo na yun.
I'm scared of. I have to put me for gas. Jenny, look. I want
Inubos na nila yung barya ko.
in the other light red.
Binigyan ko na yung binigyan ko na.
If it's red, can I have one coin? You know what that means if it's red? I want 2 coins. It's a body. A body. I want 2 coins. One. Jenny, now what?
So make your wish.
Gotta my god.
Make your wish.
You know you're already for one. I gotta my god. Throw hard. Oh, I think I hurt my finger. Oh, I think I hurt my finger.
Okay, you finish? Go, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, tuto mo umupo. Inubo. Saan ba tayo dadaan?
Sabi ko, wala ba ditong pagkain? Pwede pansuor. Tapos ko lang.
So.
Ha? May pasundo na dito.
Want to go home, Abani?
No.
Want to go home?
Yup. Okay, I want to go home with you. In masses. Ay.
Paano yung ano niya, iPad tsaka salamin? Bukas na lang.
Sana my turn. My turn.
Walang tao sa inyo, no?
Ay, mayroon din doon. Kita naman sila ng lumang sasakyan. Drive the change. Ano ba? Don't climb! Yung lumang sasakyan. Oh. Wow! Look!
Look at the ship. There's dogs.
And then the ship you put here.
Yeah, you know what this is? Okay. Boys, the duck.
Ha?
Don't.
Baka mag-CR din itong maliit. Pa-CRin mo nga yan, Jen.
No.
Panay kanina pang hawak ng
Don't climb. Don't.
pututoy niya.
Look inside. The police. Come on. Don't climb.
Oh, look, the security. Food, come here. Said.
Back off me, so I'm sorry.
Go.
Back off. Back. I
See?
don't see me, guys.
Mapod! Mapod!
Oh, saan ka pa? May kalabasa na. Para siyang night market. Pero wala ditong nagba-barbecue. Puro mga stool. Ay, stool ba yun? Ay, karami yun. Malabo pala. Pag ganyan, maliwanag. Pero pag ganyan, malabo. Ayan, ganyan. Maliwanag siya. Ayun guys. So, nakalagay doon, last exit. Ayan, last exit. Malabo talaga siya pag dahil siguro maraming ilaw. Pero ito, ang ganda nitong puno na to. May mga kalabasa.
Sit down. Yellow, sit down.
And picture taking. What you? Smile! Said!
Said!
Look!
Okay, you saw my finger when I put it. You saw my finger when I put it.
Yellow. Mapod! Don't smile nice, ha? Saot! Come here, Saot!
Oh, nakakita na naman sila ng robot.
His head is a wheel. Look, his head is a wheel. Why his head is a knife? It's a chainsaw. Yeah, but
May manok dito nanigas na, oh. Ganda nitong park na to, ah. Yukinohana. Yukinohana.
now, what was that? That's my son.
Look, the chicken.
It's a very
Why you hold the boom boom?
Yeah, why the chicken is eating rocks? I touched this berry.
Where's the egg?
We will take off your food.
So, babalik na kami dun sa kabila. Hanapin na namin yung iba. Nagsawa na dito. Tayo pa sana yung maliliit. Kaya lang yung isang, Okay guys, thank you for watching this vlog. Dito ko natatapusin yung vlog ko kasi tatawid na kami sa kabila. Titignan ko pa kung makapag-vlog ako. Marami kasi tao. Kaya nakaharap sa akin ng camera. So, bye-bye everyone. Tatawid sa kabila. Ayan, tatawid kami.
That was Christiano Ronaldo.
Kupagawa.
That's my green.
Kupagawa. Ayan, may Kupagawa. May what's that? Crust burger. Diba crust burger?
This is a new country of my green. No, that's the soup.
Aray.
No, this is the Arabic. And the yellow and the... and the yellow and the... That's the real my green. Mom, that looks like me.
Doon kami tatawid.
Mom, look, there's a car.
Diyan kami tatawid. So, guys, thank you for watching this vlog. And pasensya na.
We're still in
Medyo magulo ang vlog natin for today. Bye!